Let's continue from where we stopped previously. The last time we met, we stopped at number 10. So today we are continuing from number 11 of the 2019 OBJ, the objective of Waec past question. Number 11, we expected to find the value of this given expression. I told if m is to n is equals to 2 is to 1, then we expected to evaluate three m squared minus 2n squared all over m squared plus mn. So for the solution, we substitute the given values for each of those variables. We now have m is equal to 2 as given, and n is equal to 1. So 3m squared minus 2n squared all over m squared minus plus 2 another plus mn. We have 3, m is 2 and squared minus 2, n is 1 is squared all over 2 squared plus 2 times 1. So this will give us 3 times n. This is 2 squared, which is 3 times 4. Because 2, remember that 2 times 2, 2 raised to the power 2 is 4, and 1 raised to the power 2 remains 1. So this is 2 times 1 all over, this is, remember that this is squared. This is 4 plus 2. And that will give us 3 times 4 is 12, minus 2 times 1 is 2, and 4 plus 2 is 6. That will give us 10 over 6. I simplify. 2 here will give us 5. 2 divided 6 will give us 3. And that is option B. That's for number 11 of the OBJ. Then number 12. Number 12 is a variation. We clean number 11 so as to solve number 12. Number 12, h varies directly as p. And inversely as the square of y. If h is equals to 1, p equals to 8, and y equals to 2, then we expected to find h. In terms of P and Y. So to find H in terms of P and Y, go this way. Solution. H varies directly as P and inversely as Y squared. Then we substitute the values as is given. H is equals to K P over Y squared. Having done that, we now substitute those values we are given. We are told that H is 1. We substitute 1 for the H, equals to P. P is 8 times K, and Y, we are told Y is 2 and the squared. We now go on. This is 8K. 2 squared will give us 4. Cross multiply. In principle, this is 1 over 1. 4 times 1 will give us 4. So here 8 times 1 will give us 8. That is 8K times 1 is 8K. Equals to 1 times 4 will give us 4. Therefore, K is 8K divided by 8 equal to 4 divided by 8. Therefore, K is equal to 1 over 2. 4 here, 1, 4 here, 2. Having found K, we now say therefore, H is equals to 1 over 2 for K, P over Y squared, which is the same thing as P over 2Y squared. That is H. We have therefore find H in terms of P and Y. And that is option C for number 12. Number 13 of the question. We have to clean number 12 to enable us solve number 13. In number 13, we are expected to solve. We have to solve 4x squared minus 16x plus 15 equals to 0. To do that, we go on to find two factors whose product will give us the product of 4x squared and 15, and that will give us 60x squared. Find two factors whose product will give us this, but whose sum will give us minus 16. Two factors. And that will be 4x squared minus 10x minus 6x plus 15 equals to 0. Minus 10x times minus 6x will give us 60x squared. Minus 10x minus 6x plus minus 6x will give us minus 16x. We have found the two factors. We group in twos. And then we find what is common in each of the brackets. What is common here is 2x. 4x squared divided by 2x will give us 2x. And 10x divided by 2x will give us 5. We find what is common in the second group, and that is 3. 6x divided by 3 will give us 2x. Positive divided by negative is negative. 15 divided by 3 is 5, equals to 0. We now collect. We have 2x minus 3 and 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Note that what is in the content of each of these brackets must be the same, both in value and in sign. You can't have 2x minus 5 and 2x plus 5. No, it must be the same value and the same sign. Therefore, if 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 5 is equal to 0, so it's either 2x minus 3 equal to 0 or 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. That is 2x is equal to positive 3 or 2x equals to positive 5. 2x divided by 2 will give us 3 divided by 2, or 2x divided by 2 will give us 5 divided by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3 over 2, or x equals to 5 over 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1 whole number 1 over 2, comma, 2 whole number 1 over 2. That is, we have solved this quadratic equation, and we're able to do that by factorization method. The option here is option B. That's the correct one. For number 13. Number 14. Let's clean this to solve number 14. Number 14, we expected to simplify. Excuse me. Simplify log 6 base 10 minus 3 log 3 base 10 plus 2 over 3 log 27 base 10. We expected to simplify this. What we do is to rewrite the necessary ones. We have log 6 base 10 minus log 3 raised to power 3 base 10 plus log the cube root of 27 raised to power 2. Remember, all base 10. That will give us log 6 log 6 base 10 minus log 9 base 10 plus this is log 3 raised to power 2 base 10. I beg your pardon, 3 raised to power 3, here this is 27, note that. We now saw this is log, we apply the law of logarithm. This is 6 times 9, because 3 raised to power 2 is 9. And when you have addition, you multiply over the subtraction, 27, or base 10. We simplify that. 9 here will give us 1, and here will give us 3. Why 3 here will give us 1, 3 here will give us 2. So we collect what remains. We now have log 2 base 10. We have simplified. Log 2 base 10. Option B for this. That's number 14. For number 15, let's clean these two and give us room for the next one. Number 15 of the question. Bala sold an article for ₦6,900. And he made a profit of 15%. Calculate his percentage profit. If you have sold it for 6,600, we find the cost price first of all. When the cost price, we can now find what will be percentage profit if you are sold it for 6,600. Ordinary cost price percent is 100%, and the selling price percent of Bala it will now be 100 plus 15. %. Therefore, the 115%, that's what yielded 6,900 naira. That means, therefore, the cost price, which is 100%, is equal to 6,900 divided by 115 times 100%, the cost price. This will result to 60 times 100. That will give us 6,000 naira. That was the cost price. Therefore, his profit, if you have sold it for 6,600 naira, the profit, which is selling price minus cost price. The selling price 6600 minus the cost price 6,000 will give us 600 naira. Then percentage profit, which is profit over cost price times 100 over 1. That is 600 times 100 over the cost price, 6,000. That will result to 10%. Option B. Remember, we found the cost price. We're not given the cost price. From the cost price, we're able to find what is supposed to be his profit. Had he sold it at 6,600 and then ended it with the percentage profit. If you had sold the article at 6,600 naira. Number 16. Let's claim 15. If 3P equals to 4Q and 9P is equals to 8Q minus 12. Find the value of PQ. P times Q, PQ. Solution. Let's say 3P minus 4Q and this to be equation 1 and 9P minus 8Q is equals to minus 12, equation 2. Equation 1 times 2. That will give us 2 times 3P will give us 6P. 2 times 4Q will give us 8Q. And 2 times 0 will give us 0. We can label this equation 3. And equation 2 times 1 remain the same thing, 9P minus 8Q equals to minus 12. We can label this equation 4 if we so wish. Therefore, equation 2 minus equation 1. 9p minus 6p will give us 3p. Minus 8q minus 8q will be 0. That will be minus 8q plus 8q equals to minus 12 minus 0. Remember, minus 12. So 3p divided by 3 will give us minus 12 divided by 3. Therefore, p is equal to minus 4. We substitute minus 4 for p in equation 1. You can do that in any of the equations. You get the same answer. In equation 1, 3p, this time around p, remember p is 4, 3 that's minus 4, minus 4q is equal to 0. This is minus 12 minus 4q equal to 0. Therefore, minus 4q is equal to 12. Divide by minus 4, divide by minus 4. So q will give us minus 3. Therefore, the p times q, pq, therefore is equal to minus 4 times minus 3. And that will give us 12. Option A is the correct one. That's for number 16. Number 17 of the objective. If 0.25 raised to power y is equal to 32, find the value of y. Find the value of y. That's for number 17. Solution. We have 25, 1, 2 raised to power y is equal to 32. We have changed the decimal fraction to ordinary fraction. And 25 here will give us 1. 25 divided by 100 will give us 4 to power y. This is equals to 32. But you know that this 1 over 4 can be expressed as 1 over 2 raised to power 2 or raised to power y, and that will give us 2 raised to power 5 for 32. This will give us 2 raised to power minus 2y is equal to 2 raised to power 5. Therefore, minus 2y is equal to 5. We have given both sides the same base 2, and it cancels itself. So minus 2y divided by minus 2 is equal to 5 divided by minus 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2 whole number 1 over 2. And that is A. Okay, now from the option given, they didn't continue. We can just stop here by saying minus 5 over 2, leaving it as improper fraction. And A is the correct option for number 17. Number 18 of the question. Let's go. There are 8 boys and 4 girls.